Automating AWS IAM User Migration and Management, a comprehensive guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass, LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction: the challenge of migrating and securing 100 AWS IAM users. Migrating and managing a significant number of AWS IAM, identity and access management, users can be daunting, especially when dealing with an organization with more than 100 users. The manual process is time-consuming and prone to errors, which can lead to security vulnerabilities and operational inefficiencies. This podcast will explore how automation can simplify and secure migrating and managing AWS IAM users using AWS CLI and shell scripting. Solution: automating user migration and management with AWS CLI and shell scripting. Automation is the key to handling large-scale IAM user migrations efficiently. By leveraging AWS CLI, command line interface, and shell scripting, you can automate the creation, deletion, and management of IAM users. This approach ensures consistency, reduces human error, and significantly speeds up the process. Leveraging CSV files for user data and streamlining group linking. To automate IAM user migration, follow these steps. Prepare a CSV file. Create a CSV file containing user information, including usernames, email addresses, and group memberships. Shell script for user creation. Write a shell script that reads the CSV file and uses AWS CLI commands to create IAM users. Group linking. Extend the script to link users to appropriate IAM groups based on the CSV data. Here's a basic example of a shell script to create IAM users from a CSV file. #bin/bash. Hash file containing user data. User_data_file equals users.csv. Hash read the CSV file line by line. While ifs equals read our username email group, do. Hash create IAM user. AWS IAM create user username $username tags key equals email, value equals $email. Hash add user to IAM group. AWS IAM add user to group username $username group name $group. Done less than $user_data_file. Security enhancement. Implementing mandatory MFA for enhanced user account protection. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds a layer of security to IAM user accounts. Automating MFA setup ensures that all users have this critical security feature enabled. Here's how you can automate MFA. Create virtual MFA devices. Use AWS CLI to create virtual MFA devices for each user. Assign MFA devices. Assign the MFA devices to the users. Script for MFA setup. !bin/bash. Hash file containing user data. User_data_file equals users.csv. Hash read the CSV file line by line. While ifs equals read our username email group, do. Hash create IAM user. AWS IAM create user username $username tags key equals email, value equals $email. Hash add user to IAM group. AWS IAM add user to group username $username group name $group. Hash create virtual MFA device. AWS IAM create virtual MFA device name $username MFA, outfile/path/to/$username mfa.png. Hash assign MFA device to user. AWS IAM enable MFA device username, $username serial number ARN. AWS IAM account idbmfa/$username MFA authentication code 1 less than MFA code 1 greater than authentication code 2 less than MFA code 2 greater than. Done less than $user_data_file. Results: efficient user migration and IAM management through automation. By automating the IAM user migration and management process, you can achieve time savings. Automation reduces the time required for user migration from days to minutes. Consistency. Automated scripts ensure consistent user creation and group assignments. Enhanced security. Mandatory MFA setup improves overall security posture. Conclusion. The power of automation in cloud security and user management. Automating AWS IAM user migration and management is a game changer for cloud specialists. It not only simplifies the process but also enhances security and operational efficiency. Embracing automation tools like AWS CLI and shell scripting can transform how you manage IAM users, ensuring a secure and streamlined workflow. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.